Mangaya.
Mangaya, right?
Mangaya.
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 Good job, sweetie. Hello, Falava everyone. Look what we got here. I got some pork shoulder. It is a 5-pound pork shoulder. Lots of good fat and marbling in here. Fat equals flavor. So this cost $8.02. That seems like a pretty good price, but I don't know. Let me know how much it cost in your area. We're gonna make pulled pork today with a slow cooker or crock pot. All right, let me get that in the pot and I'll show you how I season it. Thanks for joining. All right, I got it in the crock pot. So all I do is very simple. I cover it with salt. I can always add more salt at the end. I season it with black pepper. And pretty much that's all you really need to do. But I have one final ingredient that makes the pork go to the next level. And that is 1 whole stick of butter. Just sitting on top. We're going to cover it and let it cook for about 8 hours on low. All right, let me grab that cover. I just rinsed it off. And then let me turn it on low. There we go. I'll check in on it in a little bit. But this is going to cook for about 8 hours. So it's a long wait, but start early in the morning. It's 6 o'clock in the morning now. We're almost 7 actually. So we're seeing 8 hours, but I will show you what it looks like halfway between when that butter starts melting. And boy, the aroma in the house is just to die for. Thanks so much for coming along for the ride. We sure appreciate you watching. Just checking in on the pork shoulder. It's been almost an hour and a couple minutes, but see how the butter is starting to just ooze its way down there. Oh my gosh, the smell is so good. I think I could just open it and start eating that right now. All right, we'll check in later. Well, 8 hours have went by so slow. And I'm starving. That's what it looks like. It's still bubbling in there, even though I turned the heat off. Earlier I took a fork and poked at it a little bit. Oh, you can't see it, can you? Hold on a second. There we go. I forgot about the steam. It smells just so good, and the whole house smells delicious also. So I'm going to take it out now and let it rest. So I'm going to try to just stab it and bring the whole thing out. Ooh, look at all the juicy fat on the bottom of it. Of course, a lot of the fat has melted. So there we go. That's there. And then I'm not going to put this to waste either. All my big bowls are in the dishwasher, so I'm going to strain out anything that's floating around in there. But I want to save the juice for sure. So I got to put on some gloves because the pot's still hot as heck. And just pour it all through that strainer. Oh, there's some meat that fell off. Perfect. All right, let me strain it. And once the pork cools a little bit and I shred it, I'm going to put it back into this juice and back into the warmer, so that way it stays warm. All right, let's see if I can grab this without burning myself. Ooh, it's hot. And pour it back in here. And then I'm going to put this back into the slow cooker and keep it on warm. Okay, it's been 30 minutes and it's resting. And even though it's been resting for that while, it's still probably piping hot. So I wash my hands really good. And then I put them in the cold water, kind of to numb them. And then I just start grabbing the meat and tearing it apart. And then putting it, I'll show you, putting it in the the broth that's still warm. I'll do a couple pieces just to show you how tender it is. It's pretty much fall apart. You could probably do this with a fork, but it just takes longer. And it's easier just to do it with your hands. Then your hands will smell delicious the rest of the night. All right, I'm not going to make you watch me pull apart the whole thing. So we'll see you when I get it all shredded. All right, so I'm done. Got a lot of pork that comes off that, that pork shoulder. So I'm going to start making the kids' plates first. So with my 11-year-old, she always wants rice with everything. I don't blame her. And then, even though tonight's supposed to be like a little slider night where you make a pork sandwich with some Hawaiian rolls. I'll get a little bit. And now on to the 14-year-olds. Okay, for the 14-year-old, she just likes one Hawaiian roll. She don't make sandwich, but she does like the buttered Hawaiian roll. And she wanted a couple pieces of fruit, so there I gave her some strawberries. And she likes hers not with ketchup, but she likes hers with Sweet Baby Ray's honey barbecue sauce. All right, let me get this to the girls. So for my wife, she likes the barbecue sauce on the side, not on the top, like my daughter puts on hers. And she wanted some leftover noodles. You probably saw that video already. The yakisoba. And yes, we still have some left. I made so much. Give her a double. And she likes the same barbecue sauce that my 14-year-old likes. So let me go serve them and let them know it's time to eat. Oh, at least I forget. Here's my plate. So I'm the only one that likes coleslaw. Traditionally, a slider is 2 small buns. We like the Hawaiian buns. And you put some pork on the bottom, a barbecue sauce, and then coleslaw on top. I'm the only one that actually eats it traditionally. And then I go ahead and pour my habanero hot sauce right on it. And there we go. Let's get eating. Yeah, time to eat. So, Bobby. Come on, girls. Come on, honey. Time to eat. All right, we've got one here. Where's Mama? Look, it must be snowing outside in April. She's wearing her fuzzy hat.
Zilla. Move over, baby.
Oh, here's your fork, sweetie.
Move over.
Sorry.
Move over. No.
Mommy treats a doggy like a little baby, so everywhere Mommy goes, doggy goes. The good thing is she never tries to get on the table, and she don't shed. She has a mixed poodle with her, so some people probably would never allow a dog near the table, but that's not my wife. I know I'm not on film right now, but that's what mine looks like. The coleslaw, the hot sauce. Time to eat. Mmm. Wow. That pulled pork's the bomb. This is how a little silhouette does it. Oh, she wants extra salt even though I just salted it. Salt, ketchup. And do you use both buns or just the bottom, one bun at a time?
Both.
Both. Eat over your plate. It's going to be messy.
There, wrong way.
Let me know how it tastes.
Sit, Maka. Sit, baby. Sit. Good girl. Good girl.
Well, is it nice? You know how to say nice in Samoan?
Oh, Maka.
She's all right. Come over here, my daddy, and sit on the floor. How do you say nice in Samoan, honey?
Mangaya.
Now can you say it? Repeat it?
My
No, have mom repeat it. Repeat it?
Mangaya.
my
Try again.
Mangaya.
Mang-aya, right?
Mangaya.
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 Good job, sweetie. Looks like Taini. Gonna take her first bite.
Good. Good.
Yeah, you really can't go wrong with a dinner for your family when it's pulled pork. Actually, any kind of pork is usually a good bet for dinner, right? Oh, and leftover noodles still good? Good. I'm actually glad that I'm not on film tonight eating the puaa, because I am eating like a puaa.
Pig?
Yeah, I'm eating like a pig. Right, good job. So a puaa, the pig or pork, what kind of animal do you think pussy is?
A cat.
Yay.
You told me that already.
I know, but it's good that you remembered it. After you swallow that, I'm going to see if you can still count in Samoan. Okay, Silhouette, let's see if you can remember to count to 10 in Samoan. You can sing it if you want to, because I know it's easy to remember stuff when you sing it like the ABC. Go ahead, try it. I'll have to give you a hint. It starts with Tasi.
Tasi lua fo'u. Fa. Olu.
Fa ire ono. Okay.
Oh no.
Fitu.
Fitu. Falu. Fia. Tas.
Wait. I'll say it one time for you. Listen. Tasi lua tolu fa lima ono. Fitu valu iva se fulu.
Tasi lima to'u.
Fa.
Fa.
Lima.
Lima on.
Ono.
Oh no.
Fiku or fitu. Fiku.
Fiku.
Valu.
Valu.
Iva.
Eva.
Se fulu.
Sefu.
All right, good job. You can eat again. It's amazing how young kids can learn other languages so fast. If I even tried a little bit to learn Samoan when I was younger, I think I'd be pretty fluent now. Unfortunately, I was pretty old when I started trying, so I'm trying to catch up, but it's hard. Your brain's only wired to know just one language, pretty much.
How old?
7 at least. What? Need a napkin? You can just say, I need a napkin. Okay. I'm gonna lay napkin. Right?
How old are you when you learned it?
Probably 30-ish. I started trying a little bit, but I kind of quit for a while because no one was really able to teach me. My mommy speaks so fluent English, we didn't think about it, you know. I got more interested in it as I got older. When our oldest daughter, Beautiful, got interested a little bit, I wanted to learn more too, so I could help teach her. So that's good that you learn language. Do you have the superpower that Mom has to be able to spell any English word? My wife, even though she's not the greatest at math and don't like counting money or nothing like that, and she'll admit that, I'm not making fun of her, but she's like the best speller I've ever met. She says basically because Samoan teacher, you take her with a ruler, go smack, smack, smack on her hand if you got something wrong. So she had to learn everything the right way. Give Mommy a hard word that you think she won't be able to spell. Or a name or whatever.
Maybe like...
Maka's missing.
Mom.
Hold on. Well, we gotta take a break there.
Maka?
The
Yeah.
doggy is getting
Okay,
upset by the cat bothering her. So, yeah, keep her away from the food. She don't like human food anyway, so. Even the dog don't really like human food, basically. She just loves dog food. What word are you gonna ask Mom to spell?
Imperial.
Oh, like your name?
Yeah,
Your
she
middle
spelled
name?
it wrong last time.
Oh, she made a
That
mistake
was
with
an accident.
the name she made up, or got out of the book or whatever. Yeah, all of our daughters have 2 middle names. They're either a Samoan
That
or
was
something unusual.
that was an accident though.
And this one's middle name, her first middle name is Imperial, and it's spelled. Go ahead, honey.
EMPYREAL.
And why did you pick Imperial? What does it mean?
It means heaven.
Heavenly. Yeah. Good job spelling, Queen. You want to try to spell a word too, Silo? Move your juice thing out of the way. I can't see your face. Okay, I'll give you an easy one. Albuquerque. I'm kidding. That's hard. Can you spell soldier?
S-H. Can I wait.
How about
No,
spell
that's so
cat?
C-A-T.
You won. Good job.
Wait, I'll do another one.
Dog.
D-O-G.
Good
Soldier.
job. Soldier.
No, it's not a S-H. It's like a S-O-U-I.
Okay, we'll be back in about an hour.
I'm full, Dad. Can I get off the table?
Oh, and by the way, she never did spell soldier. Yeah, you can get down, sweetie. Love you.
Love you.
So it's just me and the wifey now. If you're wondering where 14-year-old teeny bopper is, she had a little bit of a real sore throat still this morning. Maybe she just don't want to eat with us. She said she did. So just to be safe, we're going to have her eat down in her room on a table we put in there for her. No use getting the other child sick if one's sick. I guess I could get on camera now so you can see me, but I'm literally almost devoured all my food. See? Well, honey, you're almost done. She's eating all the leftover noodles. I think she likes yakisoba now. She's probably surprised that it tastes so good when I made it. I was surprised too, so it's not her fault. Well, I'm done. Looks like Mommy's done. So thank you so much for watching again. We sure appreciate it. I hope you're having a lovely spring. And I hope you have a great time this week and your whole family's blessed. Faftai for watching again. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you have notifications for when the next video comes out. But as of right now, I can tell you in advance, videos come out on Mondays at 12 a.m. in the morning and on Thursdays at 12 noon. And I'll try to keep up that schedule until I just lose interest in cooking, which should be when I'm dead. All right. So much love from my family to yours. Alofa too. And God bless. And we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Yeah, Tofasi Fua.
Bye.
Peace.